Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if it's the first time you're seeing me, please subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified about all my new videos. So guys, today was a really happy day. I don't know why, but it was. So I decided to film a happy makeup tutorial, which is this. This is usually how I do my makeup when I feel the happiest or I'm feeling really chirpy and peppy, and yeah, so pink is one of my favorite colors, and hence the pinky happy makeup. So without wasting any time, let's get right in. Skin is absolutely moisturized and ready for makeup. I start by using Studio Fix Liquid by MAC. This is a mattifying foundation for my skin. Guys, I don't have the best skin. I have open pores and craters from pimples when I was young. So I try and use makeup which mattifies my skin so not a lot of imperfections are highlighted. Next up is the Studio Fix powder. This is to give me better coverage and also to sort of settle my liquid foundation in. To contour my face and nose, I use Kryolan's Cake Makeup in NG2. It's a matte powder again, and perfect for my skin type. Blush is one of my favorite things in makeup. I love pink undertones, and this one is Pink Pinch by Color Bar number 008. For the eyes today, I'm using the Blush Nudes palette by Maybelline New York, taking a big fluffy brush and just using the darkest brown, depositing it in the outer corners of the eye, then taking an eyeshadow brush, taking the pink color out of the palette and just putting it in the inner corners and the eyelids, so it just gives a nice ombre effect into the brown. Next, taking this angled fluffy brush and highlighting the underbrow area. Then using a spoolie, I comb out my eyebrows, and then I take a flat angled tight brush. Using the same Kryolan NG2 Cake Makeup, I fill in my eyebrows perfectly. Or maybe not so perfectly. Guys, if you feel the eyebrows have turned out to be a little dark after filling them in, then just use a spoolie and comb them out again. The powder tends to settle down and they look even and natural. Next is my favorite part of makeup, mascara. Also my most favorite mascara by Maybelline New York. It's called the Big Shot Mascara. I just take it and coat my top lashes and lower lashes with this amazing wand. Whoa, beautiful! Okay then, now you guys know how happy the mascara makes me. I will finish up with Miss Claire's 02 lip cream. These creams are so amazing. Their consistency is great and they don't crack up on my lips even though they're matte. Here you go, the happy makeup look is complete. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. It would mean the world to me. Also guys, let me know in the comment section below if you like such videos, because I'm just venturing into beauty, so I'd like to know, and feedback is also welcome. So until next time, lots of love. Mwah.